Heartbreak has a way of shaking something deeper than your emotions. It can shake your confidence. Did you know that? You may still go to work, you still smile in public, and still show up for everyone. But quietly, you're asking yourself questions many people are afraid to say out loud. Did that relationship break something inside of me? And if you've ever felt that way, I want you to know something today. So listen to this. You're not weak. You are human. And healing is possible. Before we go further in this video, I want to ask you a question, because connection begins with understanding people's pain. What is the single biggest challenge you are having right now after that breakup? Is it trusting again? Is it feeling like you lost your identity? Is it loneliness? Comment it below so that we can pinpoint those issues. Because when we listen to your pain, you can actually help solve it. Heartbreak doesn't just break your heart, it shakes your identity. Suddenly, you start asking questions like this. Was I not enough? Did I misjudge everything? Why did I allow that relationship? Why? But the Bible reminds you of something powerful. It says, I praise you because I am wonderfully and fearfully made. Your identity was never designed to be defined by rejection. Your identity was designed by God. And when a heartbreak tries to redefine you, healing restores the truth. I once worked with a man who was incredibly strong, successful in his career. He had deep faith, and he was respected by everyone. But after a painful breakup, he said something that I will never ever forget. This is what he said. Virginia, I feel like I lost myself. And the truth is, many strong Christians experience that same feeling, because heartbreak exposes the places inside of us that still need healing. But that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human. So listen to this. Recognize your emotional patterns. Patterns reveal wounds. If you keep choosing relationships that drain you, there may be some emotional patterns beneath the surface. Healing begins when you see those patterns clearly, not with shame, but with curiosity. Heal the root, not just the relationship. Many relationships struggle because earlier than we realize. Sometimes childhood experiences shape what feels familiar. Healing those wounds changes who you attract, because when your healing grows, your standards grow as well. Lastly, let God redefine your worth. Rejection can make you question your worth, but God's word says something different. It tells us we are God's workmanship. You are not defined by who rejected you. You are defined by the God who created you. One of the most powerful things you can do in life is turn your pain into purpose. Connection begins with listening. When someone says they are struggling, you care enough to ask questions. Contribution begins when we use what we've learned to help others heal in their pain. And wealth is not about using people. It's about using resources to serve people better. When you solve real heartbreak problems for others and yourself, value is created and transformation becomes possible. Imagine what your life looks like when healing begins. You wake up with peace instead of regret. You recognize red flags quickly. You trust yourself again. You feel emotionally stronger. Your confidence, it returns. and people around you notice something different. You walk with quiet confidence. Healing after heartbreak is not just about moving on. It's about becoming stronger, wiser, more aligned with who God created you to be. And if this message spoke to you today, subscribe and join me on this journey from broken to golden.